Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another Options and Play video update. Uh, I have a love-hate affair with gold and silver. I love them when they move, and I hate them when they don't. And recently, I kind of just sworn off trading GLD. Hadn't liked the auction. I feel like it keeps throwing these like head fake setups where it looks like it's going to do something and then falls apart or fails, right? But what's interesting is, as you can see, as I like mock up the chart here with some trend lines, is that GLD is actually getting very close to like a pretty substantial level, or it's already starting to kind of get through it right now. The CPI number yesterday delivered a huge pop on GLD. It broke through the top end of this like 18-month downtrend, right? And as you can see, I mean, we've gotten above the top end of it a few times. The most recent being in like May and June, but we just weren't able to hold, right? And when we failed to hold, we rolled right back down into like the downward trend, right? So right now, you can see we are comfortably above the top end of that. The volume yesterday was very strong. It's holding right now, but the next 2 weeks are really going to determine whether this is a legit breakout or if it's just another head fake failure, all right? Because breakouts, when they go, you want to see volume, you want to see option participation, right? And you want to see like good sustained action, right? So over like the next 2 weeks, what I'll be watching is, okay, does it hold? If it chops, it doesn't have to go screaming higher, right? But can it like chop around and start to build a higher base? Does the volume remain elevated? Like, are there traders that are participating, right? Is it getting interest, or is this just like a flash in the pan move, right? So you want to see continued heavy volume, continued interest, right? You want to see it continue to hold higher levels, and also option activity. You want to see upward bull bets. So whether that's like calls for the short term, near term, right, or out like a few months, you want to see like really good option activity that shows that people are starting to like speculate that this move is legit, right? So there's basically three things that I'm looking for, and it's over like the next 2 weeks. So honestly, I might not do anything with it until until we get like that 2 week time frame where it really establishes that this time is different, that this time it's actually going to go, right? Like it's going to hold higher levels, good volume, good option activity, and then if it's legit and this is like a different move, right? Well, there's plenty of potential. So even if I miss the first 2, 3, 4 points of the rally, if this is actually going to be a legitimate breakout, there's a lot of room to run, right? So if I miss the first couple points, so be it. If it gives me more confirmation and more conviction that the breakout's real, that's what I would prefer. All right. So we'll see. We'll see. Gold has, like I said, I've had a love-hate relationship with it. Maybe it'll be back into the love camp if it starts to act better. So it's piquing my interest. All right. If you like this video and you're looking for more information about how I play these metals and my option swing trades over like a couple month time frame, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you.